Just very quickly before we get into today, I wouldn't mind going over and reviewing some of what happened yesterday. Uh, and so, going back to the hourly chart yesterday, very quickly before we go too deep into this is where we were. And I was approaching the market yesterday morning, looking at a lower low, selling the resistance that I saw prior to my arrival in here. And when we broke through that, I started to sell more to the tune of 4%. And then in the course of the night, all of that ended up coming back to breaking even. And this morning, I started to sell, or sorry, I started to buy support, and I've been a buyer of support pretty much all morning, as I've suggested in the chat room. If we want to go and check out the actual trading that happened overnight, this is it here. All right, so that's the positions that I built yesterday. At the top right here, I recycled a bunch of my money to compensate for those losses. So I had two losses. I made those losses back. And then in the course of the night, breaking even plus a couple of pips made me money, about $160 or so. And then since this morning, I started down here.